Okay, once you're logged in, go ahead and navigate to the Analytics tab. You'll notice that this will take a moment to fetch all of your analytics data. And I'm going to switch this over to 7 days so I can see my data from the last 7 days. All right, so this is a relatively new created page, and I can track how many people have seen my page, how many people have clicked on links on my page, and link clicks are essentially tracked by the number of times someone will select a link that will take them to an external URL. The expanded view tracker will check how many times somebody clicks on a subpage inside of your MyCliq page. So if you have a link within a link, or you have text pages or any sort of image gallery, that's what these expanded views will track. Product views are going to be every time somebody has clicked on a page that displays your product. In this case, it'll be my digital products, which are my Gumroad product views. And then the service views will track how many times someone has viewed a service. So that could be an offer or some sort of like coaching or one-on-one service that you create in the services page. Now, in terms of recent activity, right now, MyCliq supports tracking of how long ago somebody clicked on the page, and it'll show up here in the recent activity. Coming soon will be location data, as well as the ability to see if somebody viewed your MyCliq page on mobile or desktop. And you'll notice that it will show the name of the page that they clicked on. So this one's called Patrick Casella, because if I go back into my dashboard, you'll see that the active page is called Patrick Casella. All right, that's pretty much it for the analytics tab.